What's going on, traders? I hope you all having a good time. All trades are closed. Today was amazing, guys. I banked more than 300 grand, which is around 5% today. And everything started with that gold trade that I opened yesterday evening. Because first of all, look, let me show you, let me recap the trade yesterday. First of all, I was looking for buy opportunities because I saw that huge wick over here, big liquidity grab, market snap back, and I was buying this thing because I expected the market to make that big ass move to the upside. But I saw that it slows down and can't come down again, and it was not moving straight to the bank, you know. So I closed my position yesterday on gold early. And then later on I decided to go short in the market and sell this thing. You know, this was the plan. So yesterday I sold this thing, and then it was dropping, and somewhere around in this area I was waking up. One take profit got hit. Then over here I was closing some more of the position, and then later on I was closing some more somewhere in this area over here. Overall, a great trade on gold. And then later on, the second trade today on gold was to the other side, because I've talked about that in the last video. Check the sniper entry video, because I catch that awesome sniper entry on that one. Look, I've marked up the lows of the previous days. A couple of previous days I was marking the lows and the highs and all that stuff. And for me, this was the reversal zone. I told the whole team that it would be the reversal zone. Then I had that perfect entry, made around, I don't know, maybe 10 times the risk or something like that. And yeah, next one was the German DAX. This was a great trade as well. Hannes was sitting next to me, he told me like, check DAX. I was checking it. I saw a clear impulse level to the downside, and the market was bouncing off of that reversal zone, you know. And we have overall deep pushes to the downside. So I was like, all right, let's try it. Risk reward was great. 3-1 was all right. And yeah, trade worked perfectly. If I would hold it until now, it would be pretty nice in profit. But yeah, I banked around 100 grand on that trade. It was awesome, and it was a fast trade. I was not long in that trade. Let me show you the 5-minute chart. You can clearly see where the consolidation before the market closed yesterday, and then it was coming down, you know. You see the structure, this bearish structure. I was like, okay, let me step into the game. When I saw that it was moving like this, and as soon as it broke that structure, this was my entry signal. This is when I was getting in. Stop was above the structure, and then I was trying to ride this thing to the downside. I closed 2 positions over here, one over here, and then later on one over here, somewhere around in this area. Overall, awesome trade. Next one was GBPUSD. GBPUSD, guys, check this out. Overall, an uptrend with pretty deep retracements to the downside, and I saw that, guys. I mean, if we check yesterday and the day before, like we had this reversal zone over here, like above this high. I'm looking for sales, you know. And then we had the perfect setup. First of all, we had this flat situation. Market was not going anywhere overnight, nothing too crazy. Then it was breaking out of that consolidation one time, came back. Then it was breaking to the upside again, and then it was coming down again, and then it starts to make this bearish structure. I was like, okay, that's it. Now we have like one, two, three 3 fake moves out of this consolidation, like consolidation, boom, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 was the final shot, and I took it. My problem was, because I had like 3 trades at the same time open, I was not giving this market enough air to breathe. Like, I was moving my stop so tight that I was just getting stopped out with a pretty small profit, but it could have been much better than that. So I was moving my stop pretty fast. As soon as I saw that I was getting in somewhere around here after the right after the breakout, you know, and then came back. And then when I saw that I can move my stop above this thing, I was scaling in like 4 times. If it would have gone like straight down, I would have made another 150, 200 grand, but this one was like, I don't know, maybe 10 grand or something like that. Was nothing to get crazy about, but I think some of our traders in the inner circle have banked good on GBPUSD. It was a very nice trade, and I hope you had a great trading day today. I was sharing all that stuff with the inner circle traders. I trade some of the trades in the free chat. If you're not in the free chat yet, check the links in the description. Join the free chat. Check it out. If you need some help, just drop me a message. You will find the link as well. I only talk to my students in Telegram, so if you find somebody under this video who wants to give you his WhatsApp number or shit like that, man, I'm not talking to you in WhatsApp, and I will never ask for your number, you know. So make sure to drop me a message in Telegram if you want to talk to me. All right, and yeah, stay healthy, have a good time, listen to some good music. Yeah, just have a good time, guys. I wish you all the best. Peace out.
What you know.